Hey friends, if you wish to unlink, exclude or remove a folder from OneDrive in Windows, then please watch this video. Now I'll give you a very important piece of information. So here's the thing. There are three folders which will be copied to OneDrive all the time unless you remove them from the default options. So one is the pictures folder, one is the documents folder, and the other one is the desktop folder. But let us say that for privacy reasons you don't want sharing on OneDrive. Then click on this top upward pointing arrow or straight away the OneDrive symbol if it is there. Right click on it, click on this, select settings, go to the backup tab, click on manage backup, wait for it to load, then click on stop backup associated with the folder that you wish to remove. Now pictures folder has been removed and it won't back up. And now you can click on start backup and it will start backing up the rest of the folders. But here's one point about it. I mean, we remove the pictures folder, but we cannot remove a specific file from it. So that's why it's written remove a folder, not a file. You cannot remove a specific file from being uploaded to OneDrive. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.